There's nothing better than having a kickstand on your bike. But as soon as this little rubber piece wears out, it isn't high enough and your bike is likely to tip over. You can of course buy replacements, but only in a specialized store. But I have a hack for you. Hiking pole feet. They're cheap. And this is how they look. So now let's cut the old one up and put the new one on. So, and those ones are reinforced, they have metal in them. Yep, here. Yeah, now we just have to see how we want it, like this, and put the new foot on. And to put it on easier, just a bit of alcohol in it. This makes glide on very easy. And to give you another little tip to put it on easier, which I couldn't do because I'm outside, put it in a pan or something. Yeah, put it in boiling water. That makes the rubber softer and you can put it on way easier, but yeah, it worked quite okay. That said, on this bike cycle it was a bit harder because the kickstand is of the old kind and a bit thicker. Some of the modern ones are way thinner and some of the modern ones are way thicker. Yeah, they are not standardized. So it may work on yours or not. There we go. So, once we have it on there, it stays on there. This is a real good stand. And here I have a shopping cart full of water bottles, or soft drink bottles, in the basket, and it's still standing perfectly. And here let me show you how I put it on a bit of a more modern bike cycle. As you see, you just squeeze it on and it's on there. As simple as it gets. Yeah. Only $2 for 4 of them. That's a nice price. So, I hope you enjoyed this little hack. Well, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read all the comments. See you next time here at the Adventures Club.